Hello guys, so today's vlog is another quick response. So one of the comments to our video regarding DJI Mic 2 to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We connect the two DJI Mic 2, and the question is, okay, shout out to Sir Hug and Bike. Will the two microphone tracks be mixed, or will be one is right channel and the other one is left channel? So I believe this is only one track. Again, if you want to have a different track for each microphone, you can record each microphone. So at least you have saved a different track, like in the post-production. So you have one track which is already saved from the camera, Osmo Action 5 Pro, and you have different tracks for each microphone while recording. So this button, there's already built-in memory in this DJI mic. So just record, press the record button red, and you have a extra recording with the different tracks. So on that demonstration, we will try to use the two mics, and I will show you that it's only one track instead of two track, one audio track. So yan, I hope I answered the question, sir. Thank you for the comment, Sir Hug and Bike. So shout out to you, sir. So this video is for you. And if someone also want to ask regarding with the same question, so that's why I made this video for everybody. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna show you the sample audio and sample video with this DJI Action 5 with two external microphone or DJI mic. So yeah, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. All the DJI products is already in our website. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay. Pare. So this is the sound quality of DJI Mic 2. I'm using the one mic and the other mics with
Hello.
Pinsu. Can you try, pare?
Yes, hello. Hello, DJI.
What do you think of the DJI, pare? It's good? The Action 5 and the DJI Mic 2? This combination?
Yeah.
What do you think of this combination, DJI Mic 2 with the DJI Action 5 Pro?
It's very good, very nice. The sound, hello. It's very good.
Yes, the sound. So yan guys, this is the quality of the DJI Mic 2 with two transmitter or two mics. So, yan.